Hey guys, welcome to this video. So I took a bit of a break, but we are back. So the question is, does search-based YouTube automation still work in 2025? So we're going to be covering a few things like that in this video. So let's just get straight into the content. So if you go to the normal search-based YouTube, this is just one example here, login aid. And of course, the methods of search-based YouTube automation still 100% works in 2025. Okay, I think it will always work on YouTube, this specific method. So the strategy for these channels remains the same. Okay, you just do the same thing you're doing in 2024, 2023, 2022, and so on, and you'll end up winning on these types of channels. Okay, so you do the keyword research first, and if you find that you still getting the searches that you regularly search for, I know that was a comment, you have to go into an incognito tab. All right, so you hit these three vertical dots right there, and then you go into a new incognito tab. You go to YouTube, and I have done a full keyword research tutorial onto this channel. You can go ahead and watch that. But you, to get new fresh searches, you have to open up a new incognito tab. Then you can search for how to, and then you add a power phrase. So say for an example, and then you can add an app. So I'm going to add Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet, and then you get all the different searches: how to save Google Meet recording, how to save Google Meet video call, how to save Google Meet link, and you can cover all these topics, and you'll end up getting views over time onto your YouTube channel. Okay, so I know a lot of you are interested in starting one of these types of channels, and it is very profitable if you do it correctly. You can do the videos yourself, or you can build a team to pump out these videos for you. So this channel has 42.9 thousand subscribers with 6K videos. They're doing the same exact method: how to log in Power account 2025, how to format reference in APA format. Okay, and they're getting views. If I go to the most popular videos, you can see 384K, 347K. So the thing you can notice here is that it's 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 4 years ago. So you have to have a long-term mindset when it comes to these types of channels. Okay, you're not going to blow up overnight because it is search based, and with search based you need to give your videos time to rank, anywhere from 3 to 6 months for your videos to start gaining traction and start to get views. Now this channel is doing well. Login aid, let's go to another one: how to internet tutorials. Okay, good. I'm going to go to their videos, and you can do the low CPM and you can do the high CPM. It's up to you, but they're getting good views here. How to activate Windows on your new PC, 1K views 3 days ago. That was a good one. Best dropshipping platforms. Okay, that'll be a high CPM topic, paying anywhere from $8 to $10 per 1,000 views. So that's a really good one, and they're getting good views. If I just click onto their channel, you can see they got 4.6 million views. So that's pretty good with only 484 videos. That's decent. Okay, it looks like they're creating more of the lower CPM topics. Okay, 1 to 10-minute videos. They're doing some 10-minute videos. Okay, so you can build a team to start doing the 10-minute videos for you. Once your channel starts getting a little bit profitable, 2 to 3K per month, you can start outsourcing the longer form high CPM videos, and you'll be doing good. I don't recommend to do these types of videos here like OnlyFans, because those will get age restricted, so you can just stay away from topics like that. But this method is still 100% working in 2025. It'll work 2026, 2027. It's a long-term evergreen strategy, so you can count on that. Let's just take a look at the bigger channels, see how they're doing. 790K for Trevor Nace. He's still going strong with his videos. 6 hours ago, 6 hours ago. Okay, he still gets views. Total views onto this channel 422 million. Okay, and when did he create his channel? Let's just go to the oldest, and you can see he created his channel 5 years ago. So that's still going strong. As long as you stay consistent with the uploads and keep uploading, you'll still get views. Now I took a break, a 1 year break on my search based channel, and the views did drop, so we're building that back up. Let's look at Guardrum, probably the biggest channel, if not the second biggest, 1.45 million subscribers. Total views on this channel 466 million. good stuff, and they created their channel 6 years ago. Okay, so you have to stay consistent. You can take a look at my channel, Digital Unraveled. I have shown you before. Okay, I'll just click on it. We're building the videos back up now. Okay, so you can see here we're doing 15 hours ago videos, but you can see I don't recommend that you actually do this, take such a long break, because your views will be cut in half. But that's fine. We're building. You can see 1 year ago stopped posting there. This is just a draft video I found on my phone. I posted it 6 months ago. Okay, so and then 13 days ago we're building back up the videos, and total views so far on this channel 29.9 million views. So this is good, and that is, when did I create this? I think 5 years ago. Yes, 5 years ago I created my channel. Okay, so this is still profitable in 2025 if you do it right. Okay, now when it comes to building the team, you can just use Upwork, and I think I've done a video on how to do the outsourcing, because I know a lot of you will be interested in outsourcing your videos. So if I just go to the videos section here, it's one of the first ones that I did, YouTube Automation Outsourcing Guide. So you can watch that specific video to get the tutorial on how to outsource. But if you're just getting started, you can just do between 3 and 5 videos per day by yourself. It takes about an hour and a half to create all these videos, upload them onto your channel, and you'll start getting views over time. So the method still 100% works. In 2025, you can count on that. Next year it's going to work as long as you stay consistent. Okay, so this is my video for the day. I might upload another one going out towards the end of the day. So stay strong and keep uploading onto your channels, and you will start succeeding in 2025.